Hey barbecue family! Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on our channel. I'm Maddie and this is Kiki and we are Canada's favorite female grill masters. And each week we teach you how to build a barbecue from easy to find materials, recycled materials, and things you can find at your local hardware store. This week, get ready for it because we all know Kiki's gonna say this is her favorite grill. This is! But this week we are using a maple syrup evaporator as an outdoor cooking stove. This is gonna be my favorite one yet, guys, because every time. You know why? We're making vegan French toast with fresh maple syrup that's coming off the evaporator. I can't wait for you guys to see this one. Okay, and I'm excited because yes, finally, Kiki, you get to try what we cook. This is gonna be super fun. Let's get right to it, guys. Eating the food, yeah. Everybody, let's get started on this week's build. Check it out, guys. We're not really doing so much as a build this week because we already have this beast right here and ready to cook. It's all fired up. We've got maple sap boiling on the top. The only alteration we're gonna make to this thing is we're taking out one of the panels on the top and we're adding in a griddle for our French toast. So it's going to take a very long time for this maple sap to boil down into syrup. So in the meantime, we're going to make some vegan Pannetone French toast, okay? And I'm excited because I finally get to eat it. We're starting off with some chocolate chip Pannetone. We've pre-sliced it and we've left it out overnight so we can dry out to absorb so much more of that delicious custard. And in order to make the custard, we're going to start with some almond milk. Then we're going to add some vanilla. And this is our secret to vegan French toast. It's Bird's custard powder. It's pure vegan. It's essentially just artificial flavor, cornstarch, and color. Then we're gonna go in and hit it with some of our Uncle Steve's shake, his brand new dessert shake. I am so excited to use this one. Oh, good heavens, it smells so cinnamony, so sweet. And then we're gonna whisk it all together. Now that our custard's mixed up, we're ready to dredge this French toast and get it on the griddle. All right, let's get the show on the road. We're gonna get some coconut oil right onto our griddle. You can see it's already starting to melt. Now let's get dredging. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. Perfectly so far. Let's see what this looks like once we flip the French toast. Ooh, look at that brownness. Perfect. All right, guys. Every French toast experience has this. Whether you're making French toast or pancakes, you always get that manky crumbled one. I think these are ready to come off. Hot French toast ready to go, and now we're going to top it with some incredible toppings. We've got some sliced strawberries going on, toasted coconut, shaved chocolate, coconut whipped cream. Last but not least, that rich, incredible maple syrup that we wait all year in Canada to have. Let's put a generous helping on top, guys. Check it out, guys. It smells fantastic. This is like Canada. If Canada could be summed up in a scent, it would be this French toast. Let's dive right in. Let's not waste any time here. Make me a bite this time, honey. I'm making you a bite, and hopefully it doesn't have drool on it because I already feel
super cinnamony.
Simony.
Because I'm high on French toast. That Pannetone flavor really comes through, but it is all about that maple syrup. And you get a nice smokiness from cooking it on the evaporator. You'll see some of the smoke comes through around the griddle, and you really do notice it. I will tell you that, honey.
You know what I think that could be a new trend for 2021?
What?
Maple syrup facial, okay? Just go right up to that, and it feels luxurious. Going right in here. I'm sorry.
Try it. That Uncle Steve shake. Perfect amount of cinnamon. You got me out guard there. It helps to keep you warm.
I don't want to get accused of not sharing here, okay?
A little. Oh. It's like an eggnog. Why is that so good? Like a cinnamon toast crunch latte.
Tastes so good. I just heard Tom in the background.
I know Tom's like, hello out there. I'm coming alive. It's spring.
It makes me feel like dancing.